channel. So for today's video is i-share ko lang to sa inyo yung makeup look ko. So this is my birthday today. It's May 6 and it's my birthday. So wala lang, hindi naman tayo makaalis kasi naka-quarantine tayo. So ayan, magme-makeup na lang ako. So if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so for my base, I'll be using this Belo tinted sunscreen. Since this is summer, ayan, so dapat may sunscreen tayo sa face. And maganda yung coverage nito kahit sunscreen lang siya. This has tone adapting technology also. So for my concealer, I'll be using the saem tip concealer in the shade 01. Full coverage din siya guys, and long lasting and very affordable. 250 pesos lang siya sa Shopee or sa Lazada, meron din sila. Ayan yung kagandahan ng may maganda kang skin and skincare ka kasi wala ka nang masyadong kailangang takpan. Guys, please mag-skincare tayo. Here I am using my damp sponge from Real Techniques para mas natural yung finish no concealer. Next, I'll be using this Nichido final powder in ivory glow. For my brows, I'll be using the Face Shop Designing Eyebrow Pencil in 03 Brown. Next, I'll be using this Colourette color tint in the shade Gigi. I'll be putting it on my lids and on my cheeks. As you can see, this is very pigmented, so ingat-ingat tayo guys, konting lagay lang and tsaka na lang tayo mag-build up, huwag yung sobrang dami agad yung ilalagay natin. Ayan, so unti-unti lang, and mas maganda kung malapit sa eyes mo siya ilalagay. para drunk blush. Next, I'll be curling my lashes using the Shuemura eyelash curler. Next, I'll be using this L'Oreal Lash Paradise Voluminous Mascara. Yung effect nito guys is para kang naka-falsies. Next, I'll be contouring my nose using this Dodogirl Contour Highlight Nudes. Again, I'll be using this to contour my face. And then next, I'll be using the highlighter to highlight my face, my nose, and my cheekbone. For my lipstick, I'll be using this Mary Kay in the shade Mauve Moment. And then, gusto ko mag-gradient ng konti. So, gagamitin ko tong Loreal. Nakalimutan ko yung shade. Ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Pure Garnet. Pure Garnet pala yung shade niya, guys. Okay, so to finalize my look, I'll be using this Fresh Sun Mist by Germar and Layug. Ayan, so kasi mainit ngayon, i-braid ko lang yung hair ko. Okay, back to work, Jackie. Okay, so this is the final look. Very simple and very easy to do. And konti lang yung product na ginamit ko. And mga for summer, good for summer yung mga products na ginamit ko, guys. Like yung tinted sunscreen and yung face mist with SPF. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you